everyone. Horseshoe crabs are remarkable marine creatures that have intrigued scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries. Despite their name, they are not true crabs. Instead, they belong to a unique group of arthropods known as chelicerates, which also includes spiders and scorpions. These ancient animals have existed for more than 450 million years, making them one of the oldest living species on Earth, often referred to as living fossils. The anatomy of horseshoe crabs is fascinating. They have a hard, horseshoe-shaped shell, or carapace, that protects their soft bodies and vital organs. This shell is divided into three main parts: the prosoma or cephalothorax, the abdomen, and the telson, which is the long, pointed tail spine. The prosoma is the front part of their body and is covered by a tough exoskeleton. It houses several pairs of legs used for locomotion and feeding. Horseshoe crabs are primarily found in shallow coastal waters, where they scavenge for food, feeding on small invertebrates, algae, and detritus. One of the most fascinating aspects of horseshoe crabs is their blue blood, which contains a unique substance called limulus amebocyte lysate LAL. This compound has remarkable properties that allow it to detect bacterial contamination, making it an invaluable resource in the medical field. LAL is widely used to test for the presence of harmful bacteria in medical equipment and vaccines, ensuring that these products are safe for human use. This crucial role in medicine highlights the importance of horseshoe crabs not only in their ecosystems, but also in human health. Horseshoe crabs also have an intriguing reproductive cycle. During the spawning season, typically in late spring and early summer, females come ashore to lay their eggs in the sandy substrate. Males accompany them, using their specialized claws to grasp the females and fertilize the eggs as they are laid. This process is essential for the continuation of their species. The eggs hatch into larvae that eventually develop into juvenile horseshoe crabs, continuing the life cycle. Despite their resilience and longevity, horseshoe crab populations face significant threats. Habitat loss due to coastal development, pollution, and climate change has put pressure on their natural environments. Additionally, overharvesting for bait in the fishing industry and for medical purposes has raised concerns about their sustainability. Conservation efforts are being implemented to protect horseshoe crabs and their habitats, ensuring that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive in our oceans. In conclusion, horseshoe crabs are extraordinary animals that have survived for millions of years, adapting to changes in the environment and playing vital roles in both ecosystems and human health. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.